From down south to up north, environmental concerns keep marring people and their lives. As the smog now thickens over Delhi, so does the political blame game in the national capital. This time, let us tell you, it's not just about pollution. It's about politics, perception, state of Punjab. The Delhi Environment Minister laid the blame squarely on the neighbouring state, blaming Punjab. Very poor air quality, let us tell you, has been reported across Delhi NCR region, with AQI levels breaching the 390 mark in several areas. In an exclusive conversation with India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, Manjinder Singh Sirsa has alleged that pollution is rising due to parali burning, calling it a plot by Aam Aadmi Party to malign Hindus and defame Diwali. Sirsa insists that Diwali has no role in Delhi's pollution. Countering, Aam Aadmi Party's Saurabh Bharadwaj slammed the BJP for lying and playing politics over people's lungs. He calls this charge shameful, saying that blaming Sikh farmers is a sin. Farmers cannot be plotting to defame Diwali. Again, on the other side, Congress fires at both sides, calling the pollution crisis a governance failure. The grand old party questions both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party for what have they done for farmers. Meanwhile, on the ground, let us tell you, Delhi's civic body says efforts are underway, be it anti-smog guns or mechanical sweepers and even water sprinklers. All of it is being implemented in the national capital region.
राजधानी दिल्ली में लगातार दूसरे दिन AQI का स्तर 350 के आसपास बना हुआ है, लेकिन पूरी अगर हम दिल्ली की बात करें तो सबसे ज्यादा खराब स्थिति पंजाबी बाग की है, जहां पर डाटा दिखा रहा है 427 यानी 39 स्टेशन में से सिर्फ एक स्टेशन ऐसा है जो 400 पार किया है। इसके अलावा अगर हम इबाद जो दिलशाद गार्डन का इलाका है वो वहां देखें तो 380 है। ITO के पास जहां पर इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं वहां पर 362 है, जहांगीरपुरी में 359 है और लोधी रोड में 236 है। यानी कि लोधी रोड जो सबसे स्वच्छ इलाका कह सकते हैं, और इस वक्त पंजाबी बाग की अगर हम बात करें तो 427 पॉइंट के साथ सबसे खराब जो कंडीशन है वो पंजाबी बाग की है। इसी तरीके से दिल्ली के आसपास के जो तमाम इलाके हैं, नोएडा, गाजियाबाद, यहां पर भी करीब करीब 350 के आसपास AQI की स्थिति बनी हुई है। सरकार ने अपनी तरफ से अब प्रदूषण को रोकने की कदम उठाने शुरू कर दिए हैं। देखना ये होगा कि जमीनी स्तर पर इसका कितना फायदा लोगों को मिल पाता है।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? किसी भी पंजाब के किसान को, जो कि एक सिख प्रधान राज्य है, किसी पे कितना भी दबाव बने वो दिवाली को बदनाम करने के लिए पराली नहीं जला सकता। पंजाब में पराली तो जल ही नहीं रही है। पिछले 5 सालों का सबसे कम आंकड़ा चल रहा है। मात्र 353 केस हुए अभी तक पूरे साल में। उस पर आपके पास कोई जवाब नहीं था। पंजाब के अंदर AQI 150 है, दिल्ली के अंदर 400 है। आप कह रहे हैं पंजाब की वजह से हो गया। इस तरीके से पंजाब के सिख किसानों को बदनाम मत कीजिए।
मनजिंदर सिरसा जी, माना कि आप अपनी सियासत चमकाने के लिए दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री की चापलूसी करना चाहते हो, पर चापलूसी में इतने भी अंधा मत हो कि आप पंजाब और पंजाब के किसानों को बदनाम करेंगे। आप दिल्ली के पोल्यूशन के लिए पंजाब के किसान को और पराली जलाने को आप जिम्मेवार ठहरा रहे हैं। आज पंजाब का तो AQI लेवल सिर्फ 150 है और दिल्ली का 1000 है। तो यदि पंजाब की पराली उसके लिए जिम्मेदार है तो पंजाब में AQI लेवल इतना कम क्यों है और दिल्ली में इतना ज्यादा क्यों है?
इन दोनों राजनीतिक दलों को कहूंगी, डूब मरिए। दिल्ली का दम घुट रहा है। आपकी नाकामी, आपकी विफलताओं के कारण ये दम घुट रहा है। कौन गया था कोर्ट पाबंदी हटाने के लिए? और माफी चाहूंगी, लगता है कोर्ट ने भी बिना ये देखे कि सरकार की क्या तैयारी है, अगर ऐसी स्थिति पैदा होगी तो क्या होगा, राजनीति होगी या उसके उपाय किए जाएंगे। दबाव में पाबंदी हटा दी गई और आज दिल्ली का दम घुट रहा है। काला आसमान हो चुका है। अस्पताल बच्चे जो जिनको सांस का है, बुजुर्ग पहुंचने शुरू हो गए हैं। कौन जिम्मेदारी लेगा आज?
Amit Bharadwaj joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Amit, you know, while we're discussing about the current situation on the ground, which I do want updates of from you at this point, I also want some clarity on the fact that there's been enough study and research done on this matter with regards to how much does crackers, bursting crackers, contribute to the AQI quality going down in the national capital? And also at this very point, how much is the stubble burning affecting the AQI in the national capital? If you could just take us through some inputs that we have in fact received.
Shreya, if you look at the numbers, pre-Diwali, which is 19th of October, the AQI in the national capital was around 290. And on the day of Diwali, this number spiked, and these are all data of CPCB. We are not quoting some random website or, individual meters. The CPCB average data shows that on 20th of October, this spiked to 346. There was nearly 49 point of spike in the air quality index showing as per the central data. And on 21st of October, that is yesterday, the data shows 351. And we also need to compare this with the fact that in very October, you had days like 7th and 8th of October when the AQI in Delhi was around 70, 80. So that itself shows the kind of variation that we are seeing. Now, if you have 49 points of jump within span of 24 hours, what could be causing it? Is it firecrackers? Is it the weather conditions which is already unfavorable for northern India states, more so for Delhi, where pollution has become an annual menace during winters? Or is it also Parali? The data that has been released by certain organizations suggests that there have been 70%, at least 70% reduction in stubble burning at this point in time. Also, that could be the reason behind it could be the kind of floods, one of the biggest floods or disastrous floods that Punjab has seen in its recent history was witnessed this year in 2025. So, a lot of farming area, agriculture area in Punjab is completely devastated because of those floods. So, naturally, it will also have an impact on the harvesting season as well as stubble burning, which is an immediate emergency measure taken by the farmers of Punjab in order to shift or prepare their lands for the next farming season. So if there's a drop in stubble burning and spike in AQI in Delhi right on the day of Diwali, what could be the reasons contributing to the spike is something that we can decipher. However, we'll leave the details to the experts to decipher it further. But these are the data that we are putting forward. Now, coming to the point as to how politics, unfortunately, is unfolding yet again. We have seen year and year, same story, same script, same allegations being fired by the Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party against each other.
Right.
And the salvos this time around seems to be similar as well. Back to you.
That narrative definitely hasn't changed, Amit, but thank you for bringing us all the data points here when we speak of the air quality index in the national capital. And viewers, this is the update so far. We are constantly keeping a track of how things unfold in the national capital as well as the neighboring state of Punjab as we speak of the air pollution.